So right now we're going to go ahead and take a look at how cleaning functions work. So over here we have the app that we built when we were looking at the text extraction field. And I'm going to go ahead and show how you can apply a cleaning function on top of that. So cleaning functions can apply on any sort of LLM field, any type of field that you have. But we'll take the text extraction one, since that's the ones we've been working with right now. And the cleaning functions can be used to reformat or transform the data in a way that you like. So for example, if we were to take like these date fields, we'll see that they're extracted the way they exist on the form itself. And we can add a cleaning function to maybe reformat the date. So we can use one of these quick cleaning options. And maybe I'll pick this format and I'll hit run again. We'll see that we are taking the same LLM response and we're applying some sort of cleaning on top of it. Right over here. So here we see it in the month, date, year format that we selected. We can also add a prompt that can do the cleaning. So we might say return output in this format, and that would work. And then you could also add a custom cleaning function. So this would be where you can write your kind of own code script. And again, you could do the same thing of reformatting the date. So, yeah, you can do anything you need with a cleaning function. It can be to standardize names in a particular format. You can standardize your addresses in a particular format. Maybe you're trying to extract zip code and only the sort of 5-digit format instead of having the extended digit. So whatever you're thinking, you can always add as a cleaning function. It's also something you can add in the description itself. Usually LLMs at this point are quite capable of handling it within the prompt, but you can always separate that as a cleaning function. You can now clean and standardize extracted data to produce accurate, consistent, and reliable outputs across the documents.